Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Vamsi Reddy. Today in this video we are going to discuss some of the interview questions. This playlist undercome interview questions like based on Python we can write the interview question like maximum of two numbers. We can use different types like function using the functions or using the direct values like using the max thing. So let's simply go on to the code and we can simply understand how to clear this code. Let's start that. For that I'm doing the function type. Okay, I'm giving the function type codes like function type. Using that I'm creating the function def maximum is equals max. I'm passing the arguments or parameters like a b. These are the parameters I'm passing. Let's put this maximum. I'm passing the arguments like this. I'm using if a greater than or equals to b. This is a condition. If a greater than or equals to b, then return the we want to return a. Return a. Else, if this statement is false, then we can go for the else statement. Else statement return b. It means if what values we have given in the maximum of a and b, if that value is a is greater than, then it return the a. If that value given b value is less than or greater than a value, then it returns b. So b is executed. So this is a code and let's execute. There is no errors. Let's pass the variables maximum of. I'm passing the variables like 4, a is 4 and b is 5. Let's execute. The maximum value is 5. Here, see here what we have. See here, here a is 4, a is less than or equals to 5, where 5 is greater than a. 4 means that's a else statement is executed. Here the else statement is executed. Oh, this is a one type of method we can use, or another method we can say that which is a maximum or thing, like move into that by using the max function. Max function we can use. By using the max function we can also find the which is a maximum. Let's input the a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 2 exactly, yeah, 2. For finding the maximum, let's variable of max is equals to max of function a comma b. If you enter this, there is no any errors. So we want to see this max function. Now the output is 10 here, which is a maximum between the a or b, a and b, where a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 2. The maximum is 10. So like that we can get the maximum value like 2. So this is overall